Okay, it's 1:30. I'm so tired. Ben's mum is here. She's downstairs with Fossey. This morning I took the girls to school, and then me and Fox had to drive to the next town. Like Norwich is that way. We had to go that way, so I could go to my Universal Credit appointment, which was fine. Ugh, I've eaten far too much chocolate today. I feel a bit sick. And as we got to the town, it started like proper blizzardy snowing, and I was like, oh god. And while we were in the appointment, it was really bad, and I thought, oh well, it wasn't in Norwich, we'll be fine. And we started to drive home, and it was like 100 times worse on the way back to Norwich. Got back home and everything was just blanketed in white. Sun is now out. Can't see that. Sun is now out. No snow anywhere. So that was weird. I know there has been rumours, like people are saying, like there are things on the online and stuff, and people saying, oh, that the beast from the east is coming back and we're going to have like a week of really bad snow, but it's gone now. There's literally none. I have made the cake parts for the cake that I'm making for my friend tomorrow for her birthday party. I've just been and got the stuff to make the ganache, and then I forgot to get the things for the buttercream, so I'm going to get that when I pick up the girls. I've got no plans tonight really. I'm just absolutely knackered. The wind last night was howling and it woke me up at 4, so I've been awake since 4 o'clock this morning. So I'm shattered. I'm just going to edit some videos, and then go and pick the girls up in a little while and get the stuff for the buttercream, and then I will build the cake tonight. I've no idea how I'm going to get it to the hotel tomorrow. No idea. It's like making me a bit anxious because I don't know how I'm going to do it. I think I might have to like find a big toy tub or something, like a Lego tub, and then put it in the Lego tub with a lid on so it doesn't, I don't know, because I'm taking the 3 kids as well, so I will update you later and I'll show you the cake.